Can you just hear that? Hear that waterfall. We have a little bridge here. Got water coming beneath my feet. Beautiful, crystal clear. And just look at how big those koi fish are. My God. Now this is one of our older ponds right here. So these koi fish, there is no telling how long they've been in here. And they are just thriving. Hey buddy. Hey. Now when you have a chlorinated pool, you can't get this type of ecosystem. Look how beautiful this is. As you can tell, we've had this pond for quite a while now. We built it about 10 or 15 years ago. You can just tell by all the growth and all the moss that is just built up over here. Oh, I love moss. Now we also do pond cleanouts. I mean, you might see some algae here or there, and we do see all that algae. Yeah, we might have to give him a call out and do a pond clean out here soon, but I mean, this is just beautiful.